Hello friends, welcome to Infotech Solution. Today we will discuss how to make social media AI trending images with Microsoft Bing for free. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First of all, type bing.com in the search bar of your browser and go to search. Click on the first site of Bing that pops up and you're on the Bing website. Now click on Images at the top. You will find cool images here. But we are here to create, so hit Create at the top again. This is the Bing AI tool that helps us to create some exciting images. Type your prompt in the search bar and click Create. Now watch the magic unfold with your custom images. If you don't know how to write prompts, don't worry. You can find it in the description, just take a look there. It's there just for your help. Here, you can check out the pictures based on your prompt. Let's try another. Change your words in the prompt. Then hit Create again, and here are new images to play with. If you want to do this one more time, let's do it. Adjust your prompt according to your needs. Then click Create, and there you have it. A bunch of awesome images are ready for your social media applications. So, with this easy method, you can make social media AI trending images with Microsoft Bing for free. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more tech informational videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.